Hi friends, Kumud here. Usually I spend most of my time here in this garden, friends, looking after the plants, arranging things, making some colorful corners, or setting the plants according to their light requirement. Like in this lane they don't require much light, so these are all indoor plants, and I keep them alongside the wall, and some shelter is also there, so they do well here. And these days I am making one marigold bed. You see, so many marigolds are there in one bed, so I made some myself from the seed, and some saplings I bought from the market, and this is the bed I have made. A few ixora plants also there, and most of them are small variety of marigold, and the bigger variety will take some time to start flowering. So friends, this is the area where I put maximum of my time, and the salvias are also doing well now. And this is the area, and then some area is there on the top. I'm usually busy with this terrace garden and the ground floor lawn garden. So this this terrace garden I call my flower garden, actually, because most of the flowers, they bloom on the terrace. They don't bloom on my ground floor because of the less sunlight, friends. See, this is such a beautiful hibiscus flower blooming here. And had I kept it on the ground floor, it wouldn't be blooming so well. So see, almanda and other flowers, vincas and Bougainville. So this I call my flower garden, friends. This is pentas looking so beautiful. So usually I remain busy here, friends, actually. So this is my small terrace area, very small terrace here, and I have kept very few plants here because it's not possible to go everywhere in all the gardens at different levels in my house. This is the ground floor backyard, and you can see the number of trees here. That's the last one is mango tree, then this is pomegranate, and before that guava tree is also there, which is not showing, and this is curry patta leaf. So, and little higher from there, this is my small terrace garden, very small. I don't want to be here so much time, don't want to spend here so much time, as mostly I am busy with my front garden and roof garden and terrace garden. So you see, this is a basil plant, this is sweet basil, also called Thai basil. And this is on seeding profusely. This is seeding. So I'm going to preserve some seeds. Some I'm going to sow. So lots of work in this small terrace also. ये plant है blue sage का, and this is a very good perennial flowering plant, friends. And I can see that this is getting a lot of root bound now. You can see the roots coming on the surface, and today I am going to replant it and do some root pruning also, and I can do some stem cuttings also, prune it little bit so that it has more these shoots and it flowers profusely there. Then after root pruning, I'll put new soil to it and some fertilizers. And this is my mint plant, and this is also having lots of vines. You see, it is becoming a vine plant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out some leaves and with the stems for my dishes in the kitchen, and so while doing that, this will automatically get pruned, and you see the yellowish leaves. These are old leaves. They are coming out because of the autumn season. So what I'll do, I'll just put some more soil in this fertile one and prune it today. This is my Bougainville plant, and this is a double variety, and when it flowers it looks beautiful. But now I see that its pot is totally crowded with this turtle vine. It is spreading like wild in this. So I'll remove this, and since the pot is looking just half only, so I'll put more soil in this, little fertile soil, remove this extra pot from this. This is also having a turtle vine. It has come out only. This is a small pot, so I can remove it like this. So I have to refresh the soil and do some little bit of stem pruning so that it has more shoots. And you see these porcelain plants, friends, how they are becoming a little wild now. And this turtle vine is everywhere. Wherever I see, this is there. So I have to remove this because I don't want to keep this much here. I have kept some in my baskets. That is more than enough. You see, this basket is also having. So with this porcelain plant, what I'll do, I'll just prune it from like this, from everywhere. Keep it small. Put some more soil because the soil is looking little less, and then keep it for the next season. And similarly, the same thing with this Portulaca also. This is another color of porcelain. So here I have taken out the blue sage plant from the pot, and look at this. How much root bound it has become. So I'm removing the roots from outside and from everywhere rather, and now this much root ball is left. And look at the amount of waste roots are there. And what I am going to do of these, I'll just put them in my compost bin. So my today's work is over, friends. Lots of work I have done, and everything planted nicely, cuttings also planted, the baskets, everything. So friends, let me know how did you like the video, and please subscribe the channel if you liked it. Bye bye. Happy gardening.